There's nothing like a warm, tasty brownie. And I tell you, these are just absolutely luscious. I'm going to go ahead and take one and show you how I like to eat my brownie. So I'm going to take a piece like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of ice cream. And everybody loves ice cream. I mean, if you don't have to do it, but I sure love ice cream. And I'm going to go ahead and place it on the top of this. Nice and warm like that. If you want, you can also decorate the plate with a little fudge, a little bit of decoration. It's really nice to go ahead and swirl a little fudge on there using this here. I turn around and I give it a little decoration like that. Decorate the plate. Oh, this is going to be great. And that's how you can serve this. I'm going to go ahead and taste it and tell you how good it tastes. Okay, if I can get that piece in my mouth, I'll tell you. Yep, this is good. On behalf of Expert Village, thanks for watching.